In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to find your service ID in Twilio, which is essential for messaging services and API integrations. Start by logging into your Twilio account. On the dashboard, look at the left-hand navigation pane and click Messaging, then select Services from the drop-down. This will bring up a list of all your messaging services. Scroll through and find the service you want. Click on its name to open the service details page. At the top of this page, you'll see the Service SID, which starts with MG, followed by letters and numbers. This unique identifier is what you'll use for API calls or any messaging configurations to ensure you're working with the correct service. Simply copy the Service SID and keep it handy for your development or project needs. And that's it. Retrieving your Twilio service ID is quick and straightforward once you know where to look.